Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions so you can spend less time regretting and more time printing cool stuff. Today, we're putting two 3D printers head-to-head in a battle of epic proportions. On the left, we have the AnkerMake M5C, and on the right, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. All right, let's talk money. The AnkerMake M5C will set you back $399. It's like buying a high-speed sports car. If that sports car was a 3D printer and didn't come with jealous neighbors. Meanwhile, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is a more wallet-friendly option at $279. That's like getting a solid family sedan that still knows how to have fun on the weekends. So if you're looking to save some cash for other hobbies, ANYCUBIC takes the cake here. Speed demons, listen up. The AnkerMake M5C can hit a whopping 500 millimeters per second thanks to its PowerBoost 2.0 technology. That's faster than your morning coffee brewing. But hold on, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo isn't exactly a slouch. It clocks in at a max of 250 millimeters per second, which is still faster than my grandma on Black Friday. So if you're in a rush to print that life-sized Yoda, AnkerMake has got your back. Now, let's talk print quality. AnkerMake boasts a 0.1 millimeters precision and can even go up to 50 micrometers resolution with a 0.2 millimeters nozzle. That's finer than the hair on a flea's back. On the flip side, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo uses linear propulsion and input shaping functions to reduce spillage and improve stability. It's like having a personal trainer for your prints, making sure they come out looking sharp and fit. Both are great, but if you're a detail freak, AnkerMake edges out here. Usability time. AnkerMake M5C comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, so you can control it from anywhere. You could be on a beach sipping a margarita while your printer is hard at work back home. It also boasts a 49-point automatic bed leveling and power and filament outage recovery. Fancy, right? Now, ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo has the LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling, which intelligently compensates the Z-axis. It's like having a butler who knows exactly how you like your bed made. Both are user-friendly, but AnkerMake's remote control features make it the James Bond of 3D printers. Durability and versatility are next. AnkerMake M5C has a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end and can handle a range of materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and PLACF. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Meanwhile, ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo comes with a new integrated extruder and cooling system, making sure it can handle high-speed printing without breaking a sweat. It's like the marathon runner of 3D printers, built to last. Both are impressive, but AnkerMake's material versatility gives it a slight edge. Finally, customer support. AnkerMake M5C doesn't mention any specifics here, so let's hope they answer your calls faster than a pizza delivery guy. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo, however, offers a 1-year after service, with the print head supported for 3 months and the heated bed for 6 months, plus 24/7 technical support. It's like having a tech-savvy friend on speed dial. ANYCUBIC takes the win here for peace of mind. When it comes to online reviews, the AnkerMake M5C is praised for its efficiency, ease of use, and fast printing speeds, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. Reviewers love its solid build quality and compact design, though some noted that it can be noisy and has a higher initial cost. On the other hand, The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is celebrated for its budget-friendly price, ease of use, and fast, high-quality prints. While some users experienced minor issues with print quality and noise, they found the printer to be an excellent value, especially for first-time users. So there you have it, folks. Both the AnkerMake M5C and the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo are fantastic 3D printers, but they cater to slightly different needs. If you're all about speed, precision, and remote control, AnkerMake is your go-to. But if you're looking for affordability, solid performance, and stellar customer support, ANYCUBIC has got you covered. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.